Hi friends, so I decided to record another science experiment video, and this one's pretty simple. You don't need a whole lot, so I will show you what you need and then we'll do it together, and if you want you can try it at home. So you need some kind of dish like this. I just have a bowl and then a smaller plate. Mine has a dog on it. Piece of paper towel, some black pepper, some soap, either hand soap or dish soap, and some water. So I'm going to try and move my camera down so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's see. All right, here we go. Just ignore my headphone cord, but that way you guys can hear me better. So first step is you're going to take your dish. Got to keep it in frame, and you're going to pour the water into it. All right, and then you can set that over to the side. Now you're going to take your black pepper. So while I'm getting this experiment is to show how important it is to wash your hands, and how if we don't wash them properly, we don't get rid of the germs on our hands. So I'm going to take the pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle it all around the water. Pretend like I was outside or playing and I got a lot of germs on my hand. So I'm going to lift my computer up so you can see it. So there it is, covered in germs. Pepper is going to be our germs. So before I do my next step, I'm just going to take my soap and I'm going to put a little bit of it on the plate, not too much. All right, so now I have a bowl with water and pepper, and I have my plate with my soap. So now if you were to go outside and touch things, we know, we talked about, we get germs all over our hands. We can't see them, but they're there. So if I were to take my finger and stick it in this bowl of pepper, can you see that nothing's really happening? And when I pull my finger out, let me get paper towel so I don't drip on my computer. What happened to my finger? It's covered in those germs, right? So that would be like washing our hands with just water. Did we get rid of the germs? Nope, they're still there. So what besides water should we be using to wash our hands? That's right, we should always use soap and water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same finger, I wiped it off, it's clean now, and I'm going to dip it in the soap, get soap on both sides of it, and I'm going to hold my computer up so you can see this. Now we're going to see what happens when I put this finger that has soap in it into that pepper. So remember, when we wash our hands with soap and water, that's supposed to get rid of the germs. So you ready? What's happening to those germs? If you notice, and look at my finger, no germs on them. Let's get some more soap, see if it helps. And see, when I move it around, the germs are all moving away from it. So let me put that down and put that back up. That is why it's so important to use soap and water when washing our hands, so that we make sure we get rid of all the germs. And especially now, because we have so many germs going around, we want to make sure that we get rid of them. So make sure that when you are coming in from outside, or after you have eaten, or before you eat, or anytime you touch something that might have germs on it, you need to make sure you wash your hands with soap and water.